Hello again. My last tutorials are going to be like me wearing the same stuff because I just did 3 tutorials in a row. Not even tutorials. Anyway, this is a makeup tutorial for my eyes based on this feather. At the pet shop, we had a macaw, and they're the beautiful large ones, and they have the blue and the yellow gold. And I hope you guys see this very well. It's so gorgeous. And this was his tail feather, and he was like very stressed out, and he was like pulling out all his feathers. So I took it, and this is what the tutorial's inspired by. So I'm using this Claire's palette only because I really do like this blue. It's very vibrant. I just like it. And then I'm taking, I hate having so many brushes and not being able to put them where I want them to be. So I'm taking that very bright blue. And I'm going to put that under your waterline and kind of basically blending it up. I don't know if you guys see, but you want to do a sloppy job because that's what blending is for. And that's just one eye so far. Then I'm taking the yellow in this palette as well. This yellow, and you guys see that? And you want to take a lot because it's freaking Claire's. And you just pat that right there. And it would also help if you used like, what do you call it? Like a yellow base for this. The yellow would have been very vibrant. But I just want to do a quick one for you guys. And then you can go and take that blue again. And then turn your brush around where the yellow is and just blend it out, you know? And then if you ever have fallout, you can use a big fluffy face brush. And like, I do like this. And I just go like that with the fallout. And then taking my highlight color, which could be like anything, and my big fluffy eye brush. Yeah, blending eye brush. It's a big fat one. Can you guys see that? And I'm just going in here. And this is my favorite for the brow light, I guess, because it's so nice and flat and it really does blend your colors out. And this is a very like faint blue and yellow, but it's still nice. And then, yes, and then also you want to take some of that and put it right in your tear duct. Which is really nice. Then I'm taking my eyeliner, black. Don't want to pull down too much. And you could either like squeeze, blink really hard, or you could just, if you're not a baby, you could just go like that. And you get your color. And then I'm also taking this by L'Oreal Hip, this color, and I'm taking a crease brush, or not even crease, but I'm taking this dark green blue, and that's gonna go right here, right into